How to get Instagram back to normal. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily bring back your Instagram to your normal state. So if you have been facing a lot of abnormal activities on Instagram, then there might be a few reasons why it might be happening. So the first thing you're going to have to do is check your internet connection. So when you are using your Instagram, if you don't have your internet connection secured, then you won't be able to use it normally. So just make sure that you have stable enough internet connection. The next step you can try to do is open up your settings, then scroll down all the way until you find your app settings. And on your app settings, you will just have to find your Instagram. Simply scroll down until you find Instagram and then tap on it. Then after you are inside Instagram's app info, scroll down until you find storage. And then find the option to clear cache. As you can see, I have over 500 megabytes of cache. So I'm just going to go ahead and clear out these cache memories. And it has significantly reduced the storage it was taking on my phone. So then if I go up, I'll find the permissions option. You just need to make sure all of these permissions are allowed as well. Then the next step is to head over to battery usage and then to make sure that this is selected optimize or unrestricted. Now finally, what you can try to do is see if there is an update to the app by opening to the Play Store. Now go to the search bar and simply search for Instagram. If you see an update button here, just make sure to update it to its latest version. Then all of your issues will be gone. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.